Okay, welcome back to the kitchen. This today is mostly just a test. See, I've got a new camera and I need to test it out, see if it's going to be good for this purpose of shooting videos or not. So I'm going to tackle something very simple, possibly too simple for YouTube, we'll see. This is a potato. It's been sitting out for a while. It's a little bit green, and I don't know if you can see that on the camera, the tinge. It's a green tinge. As we all know, you're not supposed to eat this stuff. So last time I had a potato like this, I peeled it, but it left the surface remaining underneath a little bit green. I did cook it, I did eat it, but I decided that probably was not a good idea. So this time I'm going to try peeling it like this, seeing if I can cut more away, and if that will be better. I told you it wasn't going to be that exciting. So anyway, once we peel this off, I'm going to roast this inside I'm going to coat it in oil first, then I'm going to roast it inside a 410 degree oven. Anything above 400 really helps the interior get kind of, not crispy. The outside will get crispy, the interior will still be fluffy instead of kind of potato texture. And so it'll taste more like a French fry, which is what I'm going for. So that should be enough for us to test the video, but I will also show how these turn out if I have time. Okay, and this is what our potatoes look like when they come out of the oven after about 25 minutes. As we know, one of the best things about roasting is that while you're cooking something in the oven, you can do other stuff. So we've got roast chicken, kale, green beans and garlic, roasted peppers. Alright, let's try this with some Sir Kensingtons. Oh dear. You should use your hands anyway for this. Forks are overrated. Came out good. It's a little bit crunchy on the outside, and it's fluffy on the inside. Thumbs up from me. I hope you like this, and I hope I get a thumbs up from you on this video. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Most of my recipes are a little bit more involved in this, but this is going to be a good dinner. Have a good evening or day. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.